If you have an overhead ceiling fan and lights, then you probably need these. What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda in this bedroom here, and I have a ceiling fan. Don't jump while that is spinning because you will hurt your head. And then it has lights. And what it has here are little pull cords, little chains to turn the lights on and off and turn the ceiling fan on and off. But the problem is I can't tell which chain is which. So I picked up these. Now, this little set was only $5, but what it has here is an extension of the chain. You can just cut these with a pair of scissors, and then you can move this little connector right there. But at the end is the most important part. We have this flat little metal light bulb, and then on the end of this one, we have this flat little ceiling fan, which actually looks to me like a boat prop, something like that. But first of all, because they're flat, only a few millimeters thick here, they aren't super big. They will just kind of hang there. They are pretty subtle, innocuous. They will just look pretty classy because they're silver. And yet, when you are reaching up to grab one of them, you'll know, hey, this is for the lights. This is for the ceiling fan, all right? So let me show you how you install these. All right, so first of all, here's the pull cord for the ceiling fan. Now, I have taken off the rest of the chain. If you can't get it off, i.e. if you don't have one of these little connectors or something, you can actually just cut it with a pair of scissors because the little wire that connects each of these balls is very, very thin. So now what you want to do is you want to take this little connector right here, and it might not be that easy to see, but it's kind of like this little rolled piece of metal, and you can put the last ball inside there like this, and then you push it in like that so that it locks in there, right? So you can see we have the little ball on the bottom and a little ball on the top, and that's connecting them. And now down here, I have the beautiful ceiling fan pendant, so I know what to pull when I want to turn on the ceiling fan. And now I'm going to put the other one right on this chain for the lights. All right, so I got them installed here, and while I will say that I can't promise that I'll never be confused again in my life, I will say I won't be confused about which one of these switches and pulls controls which part of the ceiling fan light, i.e., oh, the lights went off with the little light bulb. That's the whole point, and now I can turn the fan on here. So they work, and at a glance, even a moron like me can know which one turns on which. So if you want to pick these up because it's going to make it easier for you to control your ceiling fan light fixture, I'll put a link to these in the description below. Peter Von Panda, out.
We can discover more and explore so much deeper. We can live